Right guys, we're back with another video today. Oh geez, hiccups. Excuse me. Today we're playing World of Tanks, and let's get right into it. Okay. I think this one's better. Jeez. Do I have to go research? Right, complete. Oh. Jeez. Jeez, okay, can I put this down a bit? Oh, why am I at the bottom? Here. Right, oh, I'm against people, great. Oh, I'm with and against. Sick, so it's like a team. Nice. Right, guys, we are back with another. Right, I'm just gonna go for it. I feel like we need to get. Oh, I hate this controls as well. Right, I think this is a good place to aim at. Sick. Right. Yes, I got someone out. Please, quick. Jeez, right, what's oh, they're out. Right, they're out, guys, yes. Looks like we're winning. Did we win? That was a sick match. I loved that. Jeez. Yes, I won. I survived as well. I'm so happy. It was a bit easy. I think I'm like... Do I have to go into there every time? Oh, new ammo stuff. I really want it to be quicker. Because it's like... It's... What... Oh, I've got hiccups. Oh, the reloading's terrible. What's ammunition? Armor piercing, what? What does that apply? Okay. Can I like... No, I cannot. Right. I just want to battle now. Here we go. Right, Right guys, so here we are again. I kinda like this game. Are they this way? Can I shoot you? No, just easiest way. Okay. No, can I not shoot now? What do I press to shoot? This enemy. One. Yes. Okay. Loading gun, hurry up. Where's the other ones? Battle's finished. I feel like I'm not doing as much work. I shot 2 of them down, I think. Well, shot One turning nearly done another, then it got shot by someone else. Yes, I survived. Okay. Do I need to go into that again? Can I? No. Compressurables. Okay. I've not been hit yet. People aren't hitting me, so that's fine. Well, I've not been hit yet. Right, let's just battle. I wish you could just battle. Battle. Right, guys. Whoa. This battles are only like a minute long each, but it's like my ammo takes ages to reload. So, yeah. I just want that to be like ammo, like in Watch Dogs. The police don't have to reload. That's what I hate. This isn't Watch Dogs though, so and there is no police. I'm just gonna go like here as well. Just 10 seconds or something to. Oh, I got him. I am sick at this game, I think. Yes. Hannah, you here? Come on, hurry up, gun. I'm sick of this. Oh, geez, hiccups. No, I'm getting hit. Five, four, hurry up, 3. Oh no, he's looking at me. No, anymore. I am hurting, like, these people are getting this. Yes! I got like 3 people there, I'm pleased with myself. Jeez. I think I can manage it. Jeez, I think I can manage it now. Maybe I can do something here. Another tank, Oh, yes. I would like another tank. Ugh. Go to tank. Woo! I hope they. I think I had T1. Before. T2. Yeah, I had T1 before. Honey, I'm fighting for America. Oh no, Donald Trump. Damn it, I'm voting for you. Okay. Okay, is it all that speed? Aiming time. Where's, speed? I don't know. What's this? Train? Right, okay. Right, guys, last battle. I hope it goes well. I hope I do as good. Jeez, as I did last time, that would be like sick. Sick. Oh, I'm getting better. Look, these 2 are behind me. Honey, yes. Hey, how's he in front of me? He's probably done more battles. Sound down a bit. Or maybe not. Maybe a bit. Right. Oh, whoa. This recorder only does like 15 minutes, so. Right, what's this? Right. Oh. Geez, this is different. Come on, I see him. Jeez. Where's my tank? Oh, I think I changed view by accident. Where am I going? Oh no. What's happening? Right. How do I change my view? Oh, you can do that. Oh, here. That was weird. Come on, I didn't get to shoot anyone. Let me shoot him. Me, not you. No. Come out there, mister. No. Oh, they're up there. That's just great. Where's everyone? Oh. Oi! I couldn't shoot him. Right. I'm dead. Oh, I can go to a different vehicle. Oh, sick. Oh, I'm not expecting. Right, I'm dead. What? Can you shoot the guy that's like... Where's everyone? There. Everyone's there. Right, guys. I think that'll wrap up today's video. And, yeah, see you next one. Bye.